Join me for a class that teaches you solid design principles and elevates your understanding of what great design can be. Review typography basics such as font types, font pairing, and layout. What makes a compelling ad layout? What is this process like? Dive into color theory and learn ways to implement color in design. We'll even create a social media graphic using our newfound knowledge of typography, color theory, blocking, and layout design. We'll also go over trends coming in design in 2018 in the world of typography and color. So let's learn together.